Who doesn't love fat cheeks without the filler? And NYX has come out with these new fat cheeks blushes, and that's exactly what they promised to do. Give you those juicy, fat looking, chubby cheeks, but there's no filler involved, no pain. So let's go ahead and test these out. I got 2 different shades, and so I'm super excited to test them. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So these are infused with peptides that are supposed to help stimulate collagen. So that's how they're supposed to be, plumping your skin and making your cheeks look so juicy. But in addition, they have these beautiful colors, and so these colors are just going to give you, supposedly, I haven't tested it out yet, but they're supposed to just give you a gorgeous juicy color to your face and also plump your skin, because there's skincare benefits in these blushes and these liquid blushes from NYX. So this is New Makeup 2025, and so the shades that I got here are, let's see here, I got Dragon Fruit Drip, which is a bright pink, and then I also got here Fig Fizz, which is a soft rose. So I figured I'll try one on one side and one on the other, and then hopefully you guys, if these might be right for you, we'll find out or see which color you might like best. Now these do retail for $10, so hopefully it's a good purchase, right? But let's go ahead and see. Now let's see, they do say there's a huge doe foot applicator, and it does look pretty big and inviting. So let's go ahead and put on the pink one first. So you just tap it to your skin, and then you can blend with your fingers or a brush. So we'll try it both ways actually, or we'll see what we can do. We'll try it with, let's try it with the fingers. So this is like a fluorescent looking pink. Wow, wasn't expecting that. It's not, it is a bright pink like they say. It's not a soft pink like you'll see many blushes now. This definitely has more vibrancy to it, and wow, it's super pigmented, so a little bit does go a long way. So I think I used 3 dots or 2, but if you want less color, you could definitely just use 1. But actually that is really beautiful. It's very creamy on the skin. You could definitely feel the skincare in here. Wow, this is so beautiful. I gotta tell you, guys, I just purchased the Charlotte Tilbury blush stick, and you know, this might look better than it, to be honest. This is absolutely stunning and gives you a lot of color like the Charlotte Tilbury. Now, this is said to have peptides in it, like I mentioned earlier. So that's going to help stimulate collagen. This also does have kiwi oil in it, and I believe raspberry oil. Specifically, the kiwi oil has omega-3s in it. So it's definitely hydrating. It definitely feels juicy and absolutely delicious on the skin. It really does. It feels so good. I definitely feel like this looks so natural, yet you're getting a lot of color. But again, I could have used less and it wouldn't have been as much color, but this is actually such a beautiful flush of color. And if you like a more pigmented blush look, definitely, you know, go ahead and use 2 dots. But if you'd like less, then of course just use that 1 dot. And I did use my fingers, so I don't think you need to use a brush. Now let's go ahead and test this one. This one is Fig Fizz. So, you know, I'll just do 1 dot on this side, and we'll see, you know, how it comes out with just 1. But I'm going to go ahead and press it in with my fingers so we could see what kind of effect this makes. And yeah, it's so beautiful. Wow, guys. And this is said to have 24 hours of hydration. It feels so hydrating. If you have dry skin, if you have lines on your face, texture, this is a blush you could definitely work with, that you will definitely love, because it feels so hydrating. It feels so moisturizing. I don't think it will emphasize texture. I don't think it would even emphasize lines on your face or fine lines. I do like more of a blush look. I do have that blush blindness. So this is 1 dot, but I could see definitely wanting to use 2, because this is, oh, I just did 3, I think. Okay. But it's so beautiful. The color and this effect, it actually does make your skin look juicy. So I really feel like my skin does look plumper already. Of course, could the skincare benefits be working already? I don't know, but it feels like it. It feels like the skincare is already doing its job, because this feels so good. And I do have quite a few liquid blushes. I gotta tell you, this one is very different, very special. You really feel the skincare. You really feel those omega-3s. You really do feel the hydration of the peptides. I don't think I've ever felt a liquid blush that felt this nourishing on the skin. So, and the color is just absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Had I known, guys, I would not have purchased that I purchased the other day, the Charlotte Tilbury. I think this actually gives the same effect, if not better, because it looks just so much more just hydrating on the skin. It just really gives a juicy fat cheeks look to your skin. I love it. I love the way it looks. Wow. Do you guys, which color do you guys prefer? The bright pink, or again, this one is, I believe, a soft rose. So this one is soft rose. This one is bright pink. They're comparable though. This one is just a bit more vibrant. Now they say that you can mix these as well, and you can make a sunset blush look. So what you would do is you would apply a lighter shade of the blush and then go in with a deeper shade. So you apply a light shade all along your cheekbone, and then just on the apples of your cheek apply a deeper shade. So I actually, these are the only two shades I had. Had I known, I would have got more, but I'm just gonna put Fig Fizz on the cheek just to try, because they say when you mix these together it makes a beautiful effect. So I'm just putting that rose shade, because it's not deeper, but it's just something different, on top of the bright pink one, and yes, it made a beautiful effect, a gradient effect, just mixing them together. So again, just take a light shade up into your temple area, and then a deeper shade just on the apples of your cheek to get that sunset blush look. So it definitely does come out much more three-dimensional when you mix them together. So how gorgeous, guys. I actually want to match them up now. I don't know if I can do that, but it looks so beautiful. I actually want to mix them, try to mix them together to get the same effect on both sides. But you know, I definitely would purchase more of these. Would you guys pick these up? I did get it online, so I'm not sure if they're in Ulta yet, but I ordered it online and it came very fast. So, you know, definitely sign up for those email alerts from NYX, because they'll text you the moment they get something new, or, you know, or when they get things back in stock, because a lot of times things sell out. Same with e.l.f. It's very hard to get the new stock, the new items. So many times they're sold out. So if you sign up for alerts though, then, you know, you could get these products as soon as they come out. So you will get it, you know, you could get it, because I know even at Ulta, they're always sold out. The whole NYX kiosk, you know, whatever they have set up, it'll be completely empty. Everything's gone. Everybody is obsessed with, you know, with the NYX and the e.l.f. I'm just putting a little powder over it just to see how it looks. And I'm very sweaty right now, so because I was out bowling today, guys. Me and my husband went bowling. So I actually won these two little ducks that are so cute. You know, like at the bowling alley, they have, you know, the games and things like that. So I was playing the games. I won those ducks. I was so happy. But I was sweating so much. So I just wanted to come though and show you guys these blushes, test them out for you guys, test them out for myself. So yeah, I think they're matched up pretty good now. What do you guys think? Just took a look at it underneath the powder. I just put a little translucent setting powder, and it looks so lit from within. It looks so just really effortless, natural, luxurious. It does look like very high-end makeup. It looks absolutely gorgeous to my eye. I would definitely reach for these over, again, even my Charlotte Tilbury. I feel so bad saying that, and the Dior stick blush. I would reach for this over those two. And according to NYX, if you want to give yourself more of a beachy glow to your skin, go ahead and take your bronzer and layer it on top of your blushes, on top of your Fat Cheeks blush. So I already went ahead and just did that right now, and this is how it came out. And so it does really give you kind of that beachy look and give you that sun-kissed look when you put bronzer on top, or I'm sure you could put it under as well, because these blended beautifully over powder. I did have powder on my face before I applied them with you guys, so I'm sure you could put the bronzer underneath or on top. This is how it looks on top. Now if you want to have a more luminous look, a more glowy look, so you would put on your Fat Cheeks blush and then put a liquid highlighter on top, or a nice gel-like powder highlighter on top. But again, if you want that sun-kissed look, go ahead and layer your bronzer on top. What do you guys think though? Would you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts down below, and don't forget to enter our current giveaway going on right now. I'll insert a clip of it right here. Just comment down below, #GlamFam, also be a subscriber, and you'll be entered to win that giveaway. I'm having tons of giveaways, so make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you check my community page so you see who won and you see what the newest giveaway is. So that's pretty much it, beauties. Let me know what you think of these Fat Cheeks blushes, these new liquid blushes from NYX. Would you pick them up? Would you try them? Let me know your thoughts down below. And that's pretty much it. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon.